to make healthy hair mask to boost hair growth. Mash a ripe avocado in a bowl until it is free of lumps. Next, add a cup of mayo and a tablespoon of honey to the mashed avocado. Mix until well combined. Now, apply the mask to your hair and scalp, and leave it in for 30 minutes. In the final step, wash off with cool or lukewarm water and shampoo. For best results, use this healthy hair mask once a week for normal hair and 2 times a week for dry hair. How does mayonnaise hair mask help in hair growth? Mayonnaise is a mixture of egg, vinegar, and oil. It contains oils and fatty acids that are essential for healthy hair growth. This, combined with the antioxidant properties of avocado and honey, could make for an excellent hair mask. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.